Alrighty then, let's get this party rolling. First of all, make sure, let me just put my mic over here and let me just make sure that my mic is not obscuring my camera. So yeah, a little bit. Let me know if you can hear me because it would be a very weird live stream if you cannot hear me and I'm just rambling on my own. Now, let me just send one email out. Guys, allow me to do so. Please have a patience for that. So let me just click next and send it out right now. And yeah, basically we are good to go. So yeah, ask me anything. What is up? What is cracking? So what's everybody been up to? You guys been in jail for your whatever you've been doing? I don't know what you're doing, guys. I don't know, man. Maybe there are some weird people out there. I don't know. I'm just asking. So, yeah. Anyways, you suck. LOL. Can you? Thank you very much, man. I'm glad that you think like that. Anyways, this week's live stream special is click the link below. Basically, you get limited access to my Game Development Academy for only $2. You will get a course for free, and yeah, there you go. So just click the link below because a lot of you guys are asking me, how can you learn game development? I can do this, I can do that. Just click the link below and join my academy. Or I'm also going to put that link over here before I start answering questions. And there you go in the chat. So yeah, let's get into it. I don't know how much I am going to stay on the live stream. I'm gonna try and stay less than an hour because I want to listen to one of the podcasts. And there you go. Can you? I'm just joking. Dude, even if you're not joking, I don't care. What you think about me doesn't affect me, so I don't care. I always wanted to know how long does it to master game dev from scratch to a level where I can land an intern, depending on how much time you are spending daily learning. So let's say hypothetically that you are learning every day for 3 hours, like every day for 3 hours, and all those 3 hours you're learning, you're not being distracted by Instagram, you're not being distracted by Facebook, by YouTube, and other stupid things. Now, if that is the case, then it will take you maybe 2, 3, 4 months. And you'll be able to land a job. You will be ready to work as an intern. Now, will you be able to land a job depends on you as well and your skills, communication skills with the people who are trying to hire you. So yeah, there you go. Can you make a TPS game? Yes, I can. You say can ye, not Kenny. I don't care, man. I don't care. What's the difference? You know that I'm talking to you. So yeah. If I publish my games on Steam, what will be future of it? Arcade indie games. I don't know what your game is. If your game is good and if you can market it well, then the future is bright. If not, then it's not. Hey man, what requirements I need on my PC for game dev? You can literally Google that. Do you even want a job is another question. Do you even want a job is another question. Happy Robot, to who are you talking to? I face problem programming games, but I really want to program a game myself. Well, dude, enroll in my academy app portion. Enroll in my academy and your problems will go away. And there you go. Dude, the TF, man. I don't know, man. Be your own central bank. Be your own job. What are you talking about, Happy Robot? How complex is it to make my game multiplayer, like adding login feature lobby, depending on your skills? If you have no skills, it will be very complex. If you have skills, it will be easy. Can you make a MOBA game like League of Legends and Dota? If you mean like that caliber, probably not, because I don't know how many hundreds of developers have worked on that game, so there you go. Can I earn on Steam with free games and how it works with earning? With free games, you only earn with in-app purchase or ads inside your game, and I don't know that there are any games on Steam where you add ads. I don't know any computer games where you have ads inside. You usually do that with mobile games. Maybe in-app purchase, but if you have in-app purchase, there you go. Where to sell gaming UI designs? Online, Google that, TechnoFit, just google.com and there you go. Can you create a tutorial multiplayer games in Unity? Murali Krishman, I'm not going to do that because I have a complete multiplayer game tutorial in my academy. Just spend a few dime and, you know, sacrifice a coffee or 2 coffees in a month and enroll, and there you go. How do I start into game development, and any game development engine in specific do you prefer? Dude, I just said that. So Sanat Biswal, I just said that in the beginning of the live stream. Click the link below so you will see here at the, I don't know how this is going to, like at the bottom left corner of my screen, you will see claim stream special, link in the description, like literally right below this video. Just click on it. It's $2 for you to join and start learning game development, only for $2. If that is too much, I don't know then. How much money has been offered to you for a job in your life? Just a figure. I don't know. I have never got to the point where we talked about money because I refused every job offer right off the bat. So there you go. Sir, I asked, can I run Unity in Linux? I believe you can. I never tried it, but I assume that you can. You can Google that, and there you go. Just to let it be, I already love your YouTube videos. Helps too much. Thanks, and sure looking forward to your course. Thank you very much, Portia. Do you have any good programming tips in Unity using C# on your YouTube? Yeah, literally 200 videos. And this is for Mohammed Rashid asking. Can you please make a game series in which all systems is in that, like shops, Revive, on video watch? No, dude, that will take me probably 2 or 3 months or even 6 months to create. I'm not going to put something like that for free on YouTube. Raj Sah. Wood informative. Teachiv game? Would I have no idea how to pronounce this, man. Tehni Gaming. Would a game like that succeed? It depends on that, dude. Any game can succeed if you can market it, if you have an audience for it. So there you go. Happy Robot, when is Zombie? When is Zombie what? Howdy folks, how is it doing? Do you know what I want? Money, travel, and a lot of girls. Listen, Hancock, if you, one more time, because you're boring now. You're literally boring. Money, travel, and a lot of girls. You said that in my last 10 live streams. So one more time, and then I am going to ban you. And there you go. Yet, is Zombie in course? Happy Robot, what are you asking? Is Zombie? Which Zombie? What course? What languages do I need to know to make my game multiplayer? If you're using Unity, C#. If you're using Unreal, C++. What programming language do you know? I know C++, I know C#, I know Java, I know Swift. There you go. Hi Omar. Omar, you have some long Alp Jelly. I hope I didn't pronounce it right. Okay. All yeet now, please. Yeet, 5 yeet max. How much costly piece do you need to make a game? Just go and Google that, Turbo Hammer. Yeet. Why are you so angry? I'm not angry. For Nadav Ram, I'm not angry, but I cannot, you know, do you want me to smile this whole time? Do you want me to be like this? Yes, okay, Okay, 1 over, love you. From India, love you too. I do eat. Linux is fine. 2013.3. I'm not gonna smile like that, like a crazy person this whole time. When there's something to smile, I will smile. Can you? Okay, yeet, you are gonna get yourself banned. Put user in timeout, and everybody who said yeet is gonna go into timeout and not be able to probably comment on this live stream for as long as I'm here. So there you go. Don't use cinnamon. Okay, I guess. Why you didn't go to companies such as Ubisoft? Because I don't like working for any company. I like working for myself. If I get to a point where I have the need to work for a company and I cannot work for myself, then I'm gonna work for myself. This is for Murali Krishman. That's not a thing. I heard of it. Happy Robot. I use it. Search it. Can you suggest a good book for algorithms? I don't know. I don't read books because I prefer watching tutorials for gameplay videos. That is answer. Teach us how to buy your assets. Teach us how to buy your assets. I'm not selling any assets, but Arlene Makiraz, I'm assuming you're asking, teach us how to get the course. So basically this is what you need to do. I'm simply going to go and let me just lower my, what you need to do is go over here, awesometudes.com, slash ultimate dash game dash dev dash academy, and there you go. Link is right here in the description below, like literally right below the video. Let me just take the video over here. I'm going to take the video and go and show you. So here is the video, and okay, here is the video. You can see me talking. Look, very nice, I'm talking. Now right here it is. Pay attention. Right here, there you go. This is the $2 trial. Here it is. Just click on this link. It will take you over here. And then you can click over here. This is the yearly or monthly option, but you can scroll above, and here is the trial version. Only $2. Look at this. Only $2. Whoa! Learn game dev for only $2? Yes, there you go. Click on the enroll button. When you click on the enroll, it will take you over here to the checkout page. As you can see, it's only $2. And click on it, and there you go. So you will get unlimited access to my academy with a free course, and get one course as a gift. So you will get a 4.5-hour course for free. What more can you ask than that for $2? Like literally go anywhere online and try to get a course for $2, and they will literally kick you. Okay. Is Maya useful for making games assets? Jay Patel, yes it is. It is useful. Fan Nuruddin, remember me, LOL. Oh, the fun can start. Fan Nuruddin is here. We're gonna have a lot fun because he's a jokester. He jokes a lot. We are made for COC. Hi. I love Blender. Alexander Semenov, I love Blender as well. Oh, I yeeted in gist. Oops. Well, Happy Robot, yeeted again. Okay, because you are very smart, Happy Robot. Now I'm going to ban you. And thank you for stopping by. You do Q&A, AMD, you just tell everyone to Google everything. Nadav Ram, yes, I cannot answer how to create a multiplayer game in a live stream. I will take probably, I have a course on creating a multiplayer that has at least 10 hours of content. I cannot explain 10 hours of content in a 1-hour live stream. People ask me, what PC do I need for game development? Google that. There is no, you must have this PC for game development. People ask me, can you create a game, or how can I add in-app purchase in my game? I cannot answer that in a live stream, Nadav Ram. So you see why I tell people, Google that. Do you understand now? Teach us, okay, let's go, Blender, how to survive on game development if you are not doing any job. Well, there are plenty of things that you can do for game development. You can freelance. You can teach other people how to make games. There are websites that can hire you as a mentor. Now, I know a lot of people will be like, yeah, but I don't want to teach game development. Well, yeah, but you don't teach it. You don't teach it for the rest of your life if you don't love it. Teach it to earn a little bit of cash at the moment because you need cash, and also teach it because by teaching others how to make games, you get better at game development because you will learn a lot while teaching others. There you go. You can also apply for jobs in other studios, and while doing all those things, you can work on your own game. And there you go. Nadabram Yito, okay. How many times to complete that zombie game you started some days ago? How many times to complete that zombie game you started some days ago? I'm not sure I understand what you mean, how many times to complete that zombie game. Raj Sah, can you please explain that? Ismail Bigheart, hi, I have Lenovo i3 4GB. Can I make games in Unity? Well, exactly. So you see here, Nadav Ram, here are the questions. I have a Lenovo i3 4GB of RAM. Can I make games in Unity? I don't know that. You must go and Google it. Go and see the requirements for Unity. I don't know. I don't know. I have a strong computer. I don't check the requirements because I know my computer can run that. And there you go. I'm still waiting for my assets for your gold, Roy Meredith. I'm still waiting for my assets for your gold Minberg game. I don't know, what do you mean you're still waiting for the assets for my gold miner game? They are available right now. Let me just check that. I'm gonna go here quickly on my website and make sure that they are available. So let's go over here. It's not my fault that you guys cannot read or are not able to read. It's very simple to access those assets. You just put your email in, and when you put your email in, you just go over here, and there you go. Here it is. Let me just see. Gold miner. What's the name of that game on my channel? Quickly. Let me just zoom out. Zoom out. Come on. Let me just see what is the name of that game on my channel. Just quickly. Awesome Toots. Gold Miner. Unity beginner tutorial. Create a 2D game. That's the name of the... So that is the name. And let's go over here quickly. Inside of my control. There you go. Oh, what you see? Here are the Unity beginner tutorial. Create a 2D game. Gold Miner. Well, what do you know? Here are the assets. Roy Meredith, you just need to read. And here they are. That's all you need to do. When you enroll in the assets, you just need to read and you find them. So there you go. What do you think about Rockstar Games Company? I think they're very cool. Yes, I think they're cool as well. What is your favorite language to program in? I don't know. C#, I like it, but now I started programming a lot in C++ in Unreal Engine, and I kind of started to like that language as well. So yeah, I've just finished today. I have just finished today a complete game in C++ and Unreal Engine that I plan to publish soon. So there you go. Can you tell me the last time you faced a huge pressure on your game development? Pressure, like what pressure? What kind of pressure you mean? What do you think about Voodoo and Ketchup games? I don't know. I have no opinion about Voodoo and Ketchup games. Which engine is the best? I think some of those games, they are hyper casual games. They are, you know, fun to play. They look really good. So yeah. Which engine is the best? There is no best engine. All engines have their pros and cons. So there you go. As a complete noob to dev, are we best to start learning code first or the art modeling side first? I will not, it runs with pencil. I will not suggest that you do everything in your company, like create your art program, because it will take a lot of time. I would suggest that you start with programming, because that's what I love. It depends on what you love. So if you love art and modeling more, start with that. Roy Meredith, E3, not really. I had an i5 and had to buy i7 PC GTX. Okay, there you go. Nadabra, wow, you are toxic. I have no idea why you say that, but okay. Let's pretend that you are right. There you go, Nadav Ram. There you go. Are you happy? Hi, one more thing to ask you. How do you keep yourself motivated for a long-term project? I love what I do. Senat Biswal, I love what I do. If I don't love what I do, I would not do it. How to lose your audience? LOL, very funny, the Dark Spartan. I'm losing my audience. Oh no, please come back. Dude, I don't care who finds value in the things that I do. He will stick and be here. Everything I do has a value for people who are watching. Be that this live stream or be that the tutorial that I put out. You, the Dark Spartan, are the only one who will benefit from that. So if you go away and don't watch it, it's your loss, not mine. So I don't care about that. There you go. I recommend the course. I'm actually subscribed by 2 months and worth it. Thank you, M Angel. Thank you very much. So there you go. You see the Dark Spartan. M Angel is here. I'm not losing audience. People who find value, they will stay. There you go. I was joking, lol, because I cannot read all of these. Sometimes somebody posts something and it goes like away quickly. I was joking because some people start saying your assets are paid and judge when the assets are free. Well, yeah, there you go. I don't know why people think that the assets are paid when clearly I said that they are free. So there you go. What software do you recommend for making 2D assets? Krita, Photoshop, Illustrator. Hi Fahir, what time live starts every week? Usually around this time every Sunday, so it's 5:30 a.m. 5:30 p.m. where I am. So depending on where you are, I don't know your time zone, so around this time every Monday. Samantha, how much money do I make? I'm not how to make money online guru, so I don't see that question is relevant for you guys to know. Roy, just use i5 8006K, very powerful. I use Unity and Blender in the same time. Create it too. There you go. For all people who are asking PC requirements, there you go in the comments. Spiderini, greetings from Germany. Greeting to you too, man. Can you make video about Smile Day? LOL, smile until you die. Fanuruddin, oh, he started to joke, so we need to laugh for Fanuruddin. What's the real first step when we begin to create a game? I don't understand what you mean, Pooja Srivast. I cannot pronounce his second name. What's the real first step? What do you mean by real first step? Hi Fahir, funny videos. How to you too, man. Which tutorial did you watch for learning algorithms? I didn't watch any tutorial specifically for learning algorithms because I learn something when I need it. That's how I do. That's how I do things. So when I need something, I will go and learn it. And so far, I did not need any algorithms to, I don't know, create games and such. So yeah, that's why I didn't watch any tutorial. So moving forward, how can we keep it the good work? Thank you, man. I will do. How can we publicize our game once it's finished? There are many tutorials on that, so depending on the platform, you can find online how to publish it on Google Play, but I will probably create a tutorial. Or actually, how can we publicize? You mean how can you, by publicize, you mean how you can spread the word, I assume. Is that correct, M. Angel? Will you make a video on mobile controller input system in Unity? I have that in my course, probably in 2 or 3 courses, even more. Love from Pakistan, respect, sir. Love to you too, Ahmed Hassan. Nadabra, wow, 7 dislikes in 40 minutes. Oh, no, I got dislikes on my video. People from the internet are disliking my video. What should I do? I should kill myself, probably. More Godot videos. Mohammed Bayazit, I have more Godot videos in my academy, which you can join. You can join the trial version for only $2, and link is in the description below. So there you go. Wow, saying we can't read. Ha ha ha. Oh, Nadav, I'm simply going to block you now because you are really annoying. So there you go. Okay, that has been taken care of. 2D game can easy mate with Unity and Blender. You don't use Blender for 2D game development. You usually use for 3D game development Blender. So there you go. You sound like you're angry at us and making fool of us. No, I'm not angry. Just that, Samantha, this is for your question. I'm not angry. It's just that there are a lot of people who ask same questions over and over again that I have answered millions of times, and literally everything on my website is written. You just need to go and read. It's not, I'm not making fool of you, you are making fool of me. I wrote on my website free assets and you come on a live stream. I'm not saying that you did that, Samantha, but I'm saying for people who did it. I wrote on my website assets are free, and you come to my live stream and you're telling me the assets are not free. So you're telling me I'm lying. So that's an insult to me. That's what I'm saying, you know? And after that, of course, I'm going to like make a sarcastic statement about what that person said, because he's literally accusing me of lying. Everything I said and wrote that is on my website, it's there. I said all the assets are there. People come and say there are no assets. Well, it's not my fault that you cannot read and find the assets. There you go. It's simple as that. So yeah. Reverse Mania, what is your name? My name is Fahir, and I think I say that a lot. What better, ads Unity or AdMob? When it comes to those ads, there is not this one is better or this one, because depends on how much audience you have, depending on how many people are clicking on those ads in your games, how many people are watching them. That's how you will earn money. So basically, any ad provider will pay you approximately the same, with a cent or two less or more. So that's the difference between them. How can decide the resolution of UI and game object in Unity so that it fit every screen on size? Kindly help. Amit Kumar, making games fit every screen is probably the hardest thing to do. So when I create a game that, you know, I don't try to make it fit any screen. I try to fit it the most important ones, like HD, Full HD, and all other important important resolutions that a lot of phones have, because it's really hard to make it look the same on every resolution. Is it important to know OOP concept for Unity? Yes, it is. For basically anything programming related, it's important to know OOP concepts. What a laptop should I buy for game development? Mateen Tech, you should look that up online. I have a MacBook Pro, I don't know, it's like $2,000, $2,500. So that's what I use. So you should look online on forums where people have probably posted which laptops they have, because I know that my laptop can run Unity, so I'm not gonna look for requirements, so I don't know that. Should be 90 dislikes, lol. Oh, the Dark Spartan, lol, very funny. LOL, why wouldn't he be angry? Something so simple means you really aren't trying. Felipe Perez, thank you for stating that out. Thank you for at least there are some people who understand some things that I say. I mean, it's simple as for you to read it, and there you go. What if someone have to start game industry, from where one should start? Animal Shelke, I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing that right. What if someone have to start the game industry? I'm assuming you're asking where you should start to learn game development. So basically start here on my channel. You have tutorials. You can start with my C++ or C# tutorial series. And from there, start creating games that I also have on the channel. Do you need some more knowledge than general knowledge of C++ for Unity? Thomas Shalek, I'm assuming that I'm not pronouncing that right. But you know who I'm talking to. Well, you don't need C++ for Unity. Unity uses C#. So basic knowledge to start is enough, but as you go more into it, you will need to increase your knowledge of C#, of course. Please make advanced tutorial on Unity UI. I will see. I cannot promise, but I will see. Have you published any Android games? If yes, then which? I have a couple of those that I use for my tutorials that I've shown in my games, basically. So yeah. Google has closed my account, AdMob and Colson. I want to start again, reskin, but I'm afraid to close my account again. What can I do? Thank you so much. I really don't know. I never have reskinned any games, so I don't know. They have some policies. You would need to read their policies to know what they allow you to do and what they don't allow you to do. Let me just... let me just... There are a lot of comments, man. I can't... Ooh, there are a lot of comments. Let me just see. Where? Okay. I've lost where you guys have... Okay. How to learn C# for Unity, Reverse Mania. Well, you need patience and you need persistency. So the more you practice every day, the better you will be. C++ for Unity, what the hell, C# is better. Fresh Prod, I assume he meant C++, but C#, but he said C++, and now I said C++. Hey, how do you get around the Android Sdk Bill Error when using Unity's monetization, which causes conflicts which can be only solved in by turning off ads? I don't know, because I don't know what that error is. It can be many things, so I cannot answer that like right here from the live stream. What the language should learn it first for someone want to be programmer in Unity? If you want to be programmer in Unity, you need C#. C# can easily be learned by the website official tutorial and forum. And also mine, so yeah. The Dark Shame Muffin, did I hurt your feelings? The Dark Spartan, oh man, I have a feeling the Dark Spartan that you just came here to like argue with people. Are you planning for Unreal C++ tutorial? Yes, I just finished a C++ completely creating a game in C++, which is really going to be cool. Personally, I love your content, which is why I'm subscribed to the courses. Mr. Miracle XXS, thank you very much, man. I really appreciate your support. What is the best way to implement an item database for RPG game? Well, you see, these are questions, Arlene, that I cannot answer on a live stream. Best way to implement an item database. I don't know what your game is. What I use, if my game doesn't use anything online, I use binary input and output. If you need it to be online, then you will need to use some kind of database, such as Firebase and similar. I'm using an Intel Pentium G2020. It's a pain. I bought your Unity mobile game development through 6 game courses. It is good for beginners. Thank you very much, man. Pentium E5800, very painful, but it do the job for 2D. Which is the best 3D software? I don't know. Blender, Maya, Cinema 4D. The Dark Spartan, I'll be back to check on those dislikes, lol. Oh, you do that, Dark Spartan, you do that. I'm hoping that there will be at least 1 million dislikes. Are you Russian? When I first saw your videos, I thought you were Indian. You have kind of Lenin look going on. How can you assume that that I'm Indian? What made you think that I'm Indian? And no, I'm not Russian. And Lenin look. Oh man, nice one. How do you plan your day for a game development? Any advices for us? Well, basically, Sonet Biswal, I do game development every single day. This is what I love. This is what I do. So, you know, like when I wake up early in the morning, like 5 a.m., 4 a.m. Then I start working. And I work like, I don't know, until 4 p.m. Of course, I have pauses. I pause in between. Then I go and I go to the gym a little bit, or maybe go for a walk. So it depends on, but you know, like I love what I do. So when I love what I do, I'm not like, it's not a pain for me to try and do it because I enjoy doing it. I have gotten pretty good using tuts from you, Blackthorn, Prod, and Brackies, but I still suck at art. Is there an art style for beginners you know? I also could make a series, and also could you make a series on game art? Nitin Kipa, I'm not a game art expert. I have teammates with me who work with me and create courses with me in my game development academy. They do game art. So if you wish and you are willing to spend a few bucks to learn, then you can join my Ultimate Game Development Academy. We have tutorials for that. You ever worked anything else than making games? Andrei Tetovo, no, I didn't. Hello from Nepal. Keep up the good work, pal. Thank you, man. I will. Om Decoder, hi. Hey, man, what's up? Haven't seen you for a while. From Saudi Arabia, like you. Thanks, man, like you back. How to market new game of Android? Well, I talk about this a lot. TechnoFit. I have a complete tutorial series, 3 tutorials, which are free, where I talk about that. So go on my website and sign up for that. It's called the 3D free training. There is no gaming scope in Pakistan. Should I go for it? Please help me. If it's your passion, go. You don't have to work in Pakistan. You can work online. Okay, let me just see. Show. Okay, you see, these are kind of those messages where, again, it's not I get mad, but I'm astounded by them. Arlene said your website is asking Visa for downloading your assets. Arlene, no, it's not. I'm literally gonna go right now on my website, and let me just show you that. Let me just move myself out of the way. Let's go over here, and let's see if you can see that. So let me see what is being, okay. So do you see, hopefully you see my website now. Where do you see over here that my website is asking for a credit card? Are you following tutorials on my YouTube channel? Enter your info below and get access to all assets that I use in my YouTube tutorials. You can also download complete projects. You simply go over here, you enter your email, you click on send me the free assets, please, and they will be sent to you automatically on your email. You just go on your email, you click the link, and you download the assets. And I have a tutorial over here, right over here, which I'm going to show you. Awesome tuts, how to download assets. There you go. This is the tutorial. You see this right over here. Well, not the Grammarly, ignore the ad. Excuse me for this one. Let's go over here. And over here, it's a 6-minute video, which is basically, you will find it on the thank you page after you enter your email address over here, where I explain to you how to download the assets. Doesn't require a credit card whatsoever. So these are those things that when you guys think I'm mad, like literally over here, it says free, enter info below, get access to all, send me the free assets, which means they are free. And you come on my live stream and you tell me, well, it asked for a credit card, which means you're telling me I'm lying. So, yeah, there you go. There is no gaming, okay, and Arlene retrieved its message. Oh, actually, it wasn't, so here it is, asking Visa. So, hopefully that answers your question, Arlene. Hopefully it answers it. I mean, no jobs. I answered your question, Ahmed. What do you know about GitHub? I know that you can store your projects over there. You can collaborate with other people by putting your projects over there. So that's what I know about GitHub. This info is real, new, but Blender added a whole 2D capability a few days ago. I believe looks interesting. I did not know that. We will take a look in it. I'm gonna follow the channel. Hope I will learn good stuff from you. Learning C++. Oh, so you went on C++. Let me just, oh man, these comments. Oh, Decoder, nice. Hi man, what's up? Hey Dushko, what is up? How are you? Which gender of mobile games is best to reach massive audience and monetization? Ankit Jane, it's not about gender, which game gender you use to reach the audience. It's about if you have your audience already, or publishing or how you actually market your game. So you can create the best gender, the most popular one, and get no downloads. So there is no rule to that. The only thing I really want to learn is JavaScript. Well, I don't teach JavaScript, the pit bull, in this channel. How make a graphic settings menu in a game? Hancock, I cannot answer that in a live stream. That requires a tutorial, and there you go. Nadav Ram, someone's on his period. No, but when someone is annoying and just comes on live stream of another person to annoy him and to annoy other people there and comment negative things, of course I'm going to ban you. So there you go. If you said nice things and was nice from the beginning and not, you know, the thing that you were, I wouldn't have banned you for, I don't know, 300 seconds or whatever. Fahir, my man. Thanks, Sid Ali Sad. Hamdi Khalid, I think I answered your question. Any plans for Unity web games? I don't know for the moment. Didn't think about it. How to market Android game. I have a 3 video tutorial series. If you go on my website, you will see 3-day free training on awesometudes.com. Click on that, sign up, and I talk about that there. That's good. That should tell you you have a lot of people that watch your videos. Thanks, man. Thanks, I appreciate it. Game dev is fun, but is it really worth it if you're not working in a company? I mean, can we make some good money from game dev? If yes, how? Well, you can create your own game, you can freelance. I talked about that. You can freelance, you can teach other people how to make games. And when I say teach other people, I don't mean like create tutorials on YouTube channel. That's one option. But another option is you have I don't know, those websites. You can search that easily online, but they're websites where people hire mentors. Like, for example, you set your $20 hourly rate, $30 hourly rate, and you teach other people how to make games. The Coder GD, hello buddy. Hey man, what's up? I had the SDK problem from previous question. I got it fixed by updating. Nice. How to market your game for free. I talk about that in my 3-day training, which is free on my website. Go and get it. Can you make a Unity C# advanced tutorial, please? I teach advanced features of C# in Unity by creating advanced games or creating games more complex that I do in my courses, so that's where I have it. Do you have any pattern how to make a game interesting and successful? There is no pattern like that you follow it, or any other pattern that you can follow that will guarantee that your game will be successful. There are many things that come into making a successful game, Hancock. Why your name, your channel Awesome Tudes? Please answer, you awesome man, because that's the name that came to my mind when I opened my channel. I was like, how can I name it? Awesome Tudes, let's name it Awesome Tudes. Android game marketing, I've answered that. Make more 2D games in Unity. Okay, how long does it take to be proficient in Unity? Practice in hours, please answer. Depending on how you learn and how much you practice, but if you practice every day for at least 3 hours for 3 or 4 months, that will be enough. Can only one person make a game? What do you mean by a game? This is for Reverse Mania. I'm not sure where I can buy your Unity Android course. Hojat M AM Razé. Link is right below this video. So let me just show you quickly. Let me just go over here and quickly show you that. So let's go over here. Hopefully you can see my video now. So this is me. Right below, you see, this is the live stream. Right below, here you go. This is the live stream, and you can click here. You can click here. So click there, and it will take you right here on this page. Start learning with the world's largest game development training library. Here you go. You can join monthly or yearly, or you can also get lifetime access. This is an offer here for $20 for a monthly, by the way. And here you can join for lifetime access and never pay again ever and have all the access. Currently, I have 26 courses. I just finished the 27th. I'm going to publish it very soon. So yeah, there you go. And only more and more courses are going to come to the academy. So yeah, that's how you can answer it. Talk about GitHub. I cannot talk about GitHub on my on the live stream because what can I say? Do you have games on the Google Play Store? What are some of them? I answered this question at least 20 times. All the games you see me create in the courses, I had some of them on Google Play Store. I'm using binary stream for saving. Didn't know I can use it for items. Yes, you can use it for anything that you want to save. I can help you, awesome dudes, with 3D characters, environment props and textures, high quality models. Mohammed Assam. Thanks, man. I already have a 3D artist who is creating tutorials for me, if this is what you wanted. I bought your Unity mobile game development through 6 game course. Is it good for beginners? Yes, it is. It is, man. What I need language to learn to make Android games, depending on what you're using. For Unity C#, for Unreal C++, and there you go. I have downloaded the assets many times. It never asks any credit card payment. Thank you, Ankit Jain. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How many users can Unity server handle? I don't know. Hi, sir. Hello, man. This is for Pankaj. Some professional videos for web dev for web dev can you recommend? For web development, you have a channel called Coding Phase. So search on YouTube Coding Phase. How to earn some money along with learning Unity for living. How to earn money? While you are learning Unity, you can teach others how to teach others Unity on websites where people can hire mentors, and you can charge by hourly rate. So there you go. Can you tell about development of Android games? What do you want me to tell? LOL, sorry, I was being ironic again. Okay, Arlene, thank you, but I was like, sorry, I mean, I thought that you were serious, so yeah. How to maintain, you really enjoy watching me being mad, do you? Anyways, how to maintain learning momentum during school exam. I don't know, it's not something I can like a general answer, but you should always have time. What I don't believe when people tell me is that I don't have time. This is what I don't believe. With all due respect to anyone, I'm not saying this guy told me or that guy told me, but I'm talking from my own perspective. Whenever I told somebody I don't have time, I actually do have time, but it's all about priorities. So everybody has time. You say, for example, when I say you, I mean some person, hypothetical person. I don't want somebody to get offended because you guys apparently get offended very quickly. So some hypothetical person says, I don't have time to learn game development, but then he goes and watches YouTube. Then he goes and I don't know, plays games. Then he watches TV shows. So he has time, but his priority is not to learn game development. His priority is to watch YouTube videos and something else. So it's all about your priorities. Everybody can put 2 hours in a day to learn game development or any other development he wants. It's only about you being self-disciplined, so having self-discipline and self-control to actually learn it and sit down on a computer and not being distracted. And that's all there is to it. All the assets are included in the courses, usually at the beginning of each one. Thank you, M. Angel. This is for the courses, but people meant the assets that I give out for free. Which type of physics knowledge is required for game development? Well, basic physics knowledge. Yeet, Frozen Inferno. There you go. You got yourself banned because, well, you said yeet like everybody else. Have you launched any self-made game? No, I didn't. Can we expect any collab with other game developers in the future, and are you participating in game jams coming ahead? Collab from any other game developers? I don't know. Nobody has contacted me, and I don't like contacting other game developers, especially if you mean other people who are making tutorials and channels. I don't like contacting them because automatically they think I want something from them. So there you go. Actually, one of my teammates is in a game jam right now. We will publish a video for that. Agreed question. Punkjar, answer please. Not too much. I don't know, but the best platform. Bro, tell me about future of hyper casual games. I don't know. I don't want to publish my game, but want to make a clone of other games with my own logic, and I have make many game clone. What is the best time to publish own game? There is no best time to publish your game. Whenever you create a game, publish it. Bro, how build blocks for Android? I don't know how build blocks for Android. Hi Fire, can you make a tutorial on learning? Writing the alphabets in Unity. Writing the alphabets in Unity. Not sure how would I create a tutorial like that? What engine did the old games created with? I don't know. Probably many different engines. How to do anti-hack system base on the tech cheat engine force field and kill our users and they ban. I have no idea how to do that. Can you please do a tutorial on the new lightweight render pipeline? We'll look into it. Inspiration for a new game ideas. Animal Shelke, for that, just go and on my website awesome2s.com you will see at the top 3-day free training. Enroll in the free 3-day training. I talk about that. Where do you see yourself in 10 years from now? I see myself creating the best game development academy in the world, and I see a lot of people who want to learn game development come to me and recommend my game development academy to learn, because that is my goal. I want to help people become game developers and learn how to code. Hi, Mohammed Javad. Hey man, what is up? How to create games on Roblox Game Studio? I don't know, I never used it. Should we focus only on multiplayer games? If that was me, I would not focus only on multiplayer games. Sorry for some jokes, but thank you for replies. No man, Arlene, I have no issues with you joking, but I thought that you were like, you know, serious, so yeah. Hello, I'm 25 years old. Am I too old for learning coding? No, you are not, even if you're 100 years old. If you know English, if you can read and write English, which I assume you can do because you wrote this in English, then that's all you need to learn programming. So there you go. You are not too old. Let me just find something over here. How many hours of practice does it take to be proficient in Unity? The more the better. So the more the better. If you can practice for 6 hours a day, the better. Are making website harder than games? I don't know. Every development is hard on its own. It has its own challenges that you need to overcome. So yeah. How to make animated and interactive tree in Blender. So if I cut the tree, it regrows. First of all, I don't know that. Second, even if I knew, I cannot answer it in a live stream. In your opinion, pixel art games can cash money? Yes, they can. There is any way to use other scripting language for Unity Unreal except C++. In Unreal, there is a plugin that allows you to use C#. For Unity, I don't know if there is some kind of plugin for that, but I assume there is. Just look on the App Store for Unity. Greetings, which is the best game created by a single person? Or if don't know, want to use superlatives, which game created by a single person left you most impressed? Thank you. I don't know. I don't know, really. I didn't look at, you know, when the games that I saw that I loved are mostly like, you know, AAA games. So I don't know. Yeah, BattleNet stopped working for some reason in my country, so my productivity rise 100%. Which ad service is good for mobile games? I've answered that. Can you create a tutorial for how to create 2D environment and levels? I don't know. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. It's a nice idea. How can I make my game more fun and addicting to play? There is a lot of things that come to it. So one of the things that you can do is go on my website, awesome2s.com, and watch the 3-day free training. So go and watch that. I talk about that in those 3 videos. Can you say cheese? Cheese. There you go. I am extreme newbie for game development. Can I start with Godot? Yes, you can. Hello, instructor. After I have done C#, can I make game multiplayer FPS shooter? Is good or not good? Should I make 2D game? I don't know, depending on your knowledge level. So You have a creepy smile, LOL. Thank you, I assume. So there you go. Jumping Jesus 94. Hello, Fire. What's up, man? How much time it take you to master Unity? Well, I don't consider myself a master because there are always new things that you can learn in anything. So, but how I got good is with more practice, more and more practice. Yeah, there you go. So I started when I was 30 years old. You're not too old. There you go. So you're not too old at 25. Sir, how to start game development, how to start game programming from scratch. Start with my C# or C++ tutorial series, depending on if you're interested in Unreal or Unity. What is the full form of AAA games? I don't understand the question. What your thoughts on Supercell games? I don't have opinion about Supercell games. What interview questions are asking companies for coders? Well, there are a lot of questions that are asked, so I don't know at the top of my head now. I have no idea. So yeah, there you go. Let me just see something over here. What is the best way to learn Unity? One, by doing some courses or by watching YouTube videos? Definitely by doing courses, because courses are more complete than YouTube videos. Sir, tell me how to jump player in new level. I don't know which engine, but I have tutorials for that both in Unreal and Unity. Look them up. I want to create a turn-based multiplayer. Should I go with Photon or wait for the new Unity system? Try with any, I mean, I don't know. Either can work. Do the companies who make AA games make their own engine? I don't know. Probably some do, but I just smiled last time. This time I'm not going to do that, Fan Nuruddin, because you're making fun of me. They are made with libgdx and a 3D Nodalink program. I forgot the name. Good night, LOL by Smile. Yeah, mostly. Okay, basically that's that. I went through all of your questions and it's 51 minutes. I am probably gonna go now because I want to watch a podcast that I've been postponing for 2 or 3 days now, and I find it interesting. So I'm going to cut off the live stream very, very soon. And by the way, for those of you guys who are interested to learn game development, I have 26 courses currently in my Game Development Academy. I already created 27th. I'm going to upload it as soon as I edit the videos, which will probably be tomorrow after tomorrow. So that's 27. You have almost 350 or even more. Let me just check how many hours you have in the course, in the academy. You have over 332 hours. So with this new course, you will have around 340 hours, and my teammates are creating their own courses as well. You can enroll in the academy for only $2. Link for that is in the description below. You will get a limited access to my academy, and you will also get a full course as a gift, 4.5 hours. So for $2 only. Click the link right below, or there you go in the chat. And I'm going to hop off. Which podcasts you would suggest for game dev? I don't think there are any good game dev podcasts. People only talk about games, but not like advices how to learn and stuff like that. So yeah. Just because I say goodnight doesn't mean you need to end this stream. Yeah, just kidding. Very funny, Nuruddin. Which podcast you would suggest for game dev? As I said, for Java, you can use libgdx. Your academy is the best way to learn game development. Thank you, Dushko. Thank you very much, man. You didn't see Android Studio. It takes hours to install with errors. Okay, guys. So I think it's enough. 53. Please answer. I and me. Please answer the question. Which podcast you're gonna listen? I'm gonna listen for a podcast from Alan Hill talking about business. Basically, that's that. Thank you guys for watching this live stream. I'm gonna hop off now, so see you next video. See you next Sunday, and starting tomorrow I'm going to publish some really cool Unreal Engine tutorials, so keep a lookout for that. Thank you very much for hopping by, for taking your time to watch me blabble here, and goodbye. Take care.